Hi guys, welcome to my video. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa to Paraguay step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, when it comes to apply to a visa to Paraguay, it depends upon your nationality. Many nationalities do not even need a visa to Paraguay, but if you find out you need to, then you need to check the information as per your nearest embassy or consulate of Paraguay, because the process is mostly offline. So that means you need to follow what they say. For example, suppose you are applying from India, in the Republic of India. So here you see that they have given information, general visa requirement and official non-resident visa application form. So we'll go to visa application form, but first see the requirements. So the form must be filled, color photograph or color copy of passport, as well as all the copies of your previous Paraguay visa if okay, and your passport must have 2 blank pages, should have minimum validity of 1 year from the intended date of entry into Paraguay. Copy of other countries valid issued visa if you have it. A round trip reservation or itinerary with dates and flight numbers. Okay. Color photo to be attached with the application. They have given size also. Invitation letters if applicable, they need to be addressed to these 2 addresses. Proof of funds, personal bank statement for last 3 months. And this has to be provided bank seal and signed. One reference visa request letter from the employer or personal visa request letter. Okay. Original police record. Visa fee is $100 USD for multiple entries. And they have some health declaration, vaccination and other things as well. And they have written all submitted must be presented in original. Okay. Please do not submit documents by email unless you are required to do by consult. As I said, it's mostly offline. Incomplete documentation they are not going to accept. Every applicant will become in person, and you have to go for personal interview. Okay. Business letter if applicable submitted, and you should submit it at least 30 days before the expected date of travel to avoid any inconvenience. For minor, there are some other documents. Alright guys, now let's go through application form. So this is the application form. Don't be scared that you see in some language that you don't understand. They have put the English translation as well. Do not fill in. Okay, see, non-resident. So first they have written in Spanish in bold, then in English just beneath it. So don't need to worry about. They have given format also. So first section is about your name, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, gender, eye color, hair color, height, occupation. Do not miss any question. They have written that in the instructions. Passport number, date of issue, expiration date, marital status, name of spouse if applicable, date of birth, place of birth. So these are very simple questions. Parent information, home address, work address, business number, email. Do you intend to work over there? Arrival date, departure date. Do you have relatives or friends in Prague? That you're gonna write. How long you will stay? What will be your address, phone number? Do you wish to immigrate, reside permanently, or become a citizen of Paraguay? That you need to provide. Have you ever been there before? And you need to sign. And this section is for internal use, so do not go into that. Alright, and once you are through this, you can contact, like there was some contact given on the first page. Let me show you. You can call and ask about when you can come over there to submit, or you can email also, and then you can submit in person. I know it's mostly offline, so you have to be present over there, but you got to manage whatever it is. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.